Welcome to the Gourmet Code. In this tutorial we will be making Japanese sushi, a popular dish that originated in Japan and is now enjoyed all over the world. In this video, we'll show you how to make sushi at home, using simple ingredients and tools. Step 1. Prepare the rice. The first step in making sushi is to prepare the rice. Rinse 2 cups of sushi rice in a strainer until the water runs clear. Then, put the rice in a pot with 2 cups of water and let it soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring the rice to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let the rice simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice sit for another 10 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the vinegar mixture. While the rice is cooking, you can prepare the vinegar mixture that will be used to season the rice. In a small saucepan, combine 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar and salt dissolve. Step 3. Season the rice. Once the rice has finished cooking and has rested for 10 minutes, transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Pour the vinegar mixture over the rice and use a spatula to gently fold the rice until it's evenly coated with the vinegar. Step 4. Prepare the filling. Now it's time to prepare the filling for the sushi. You can use a variety of ingredients, such as cooked shrimp, crab, avocado, cucumber, or smoked salmon. Cut the ingredients into thin strips or small pieces. Step 5. Roll the sushi. To roll the sushi, you'll need a bamboo sushi mat, which you can find at most Asian markets or online. Place a sheet of nori, dried seaweed, on the mat, with the shiny side facing down. Wet your hands with water or wear gloves, then grab a handful of rice and spread it evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Place your filling ingredients in a line along the bottom edge of the rice. Using the bamboo mat, roll the sushi tightly from the bottom edge to the top, using the border of rice to seal the roll. Step 6. Slice and serve. Once you've made your sushi rolls, it's time to slice and serve them. Use a sharp knife to slice the rolls into bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch thick. You can serve the sushi with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi on the side. There you go. You have just made your first homemade sushi. With a little practice, you'll be able to make delicious sushi at home that rivals what you can find in a restaurant. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.